Welcome back. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic: the profound influence of low vibrational music on our subconscious mind. You might be surprised to learn how the music you listen to can impact your thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. First, let's define what we mean by low vibrational music. These are songs or compositions with a specific frequency or energy that resonates at a lower level. They often evoke feelings of sadness, anger, or anxiety, and can be found in various music genres. So, how does low vibrational music affect our subconscious mind? Well, it's important to understand that our subconscious mind is highly impressionable. It absorbs information from our surroundings, and that includes the music we listen to. Here are a few key points to consider. Emotional impact. Low vibrational music can resonate with negative emotions. When you listen to such music, it can bring out feelings of sadness, frustration, or even aggression. Over time, this can lead to a chronic emotional state, influencing your overall mental health. Thought patterns. The lyrics and themes in low vibrational music can also shape your thought patterns. Repeated exposure to lyrics that focus on despair or hopelessness can lead to a pessimistic outlook on life. Behavioral changes. In some cases, low vibrational music might influence your behavior. For example, it can lead to impulsive decision-making or encourage self-destructive habits. Now that we understand the potential negative effects, it's crucial to know that there are positive alternatives. You can consciously choose to listen to music with higher vibrational frequencies. This music often promotes feelings of love, joy, and positivity, which can have a more beneficial impact on your subconscious mind. Some examples of high vibrational music include classical compositions, uplifting pop songs, and various forms of meditation and relaxation music. These genres have the potential to boost your mood, increase creativity, and enhance overall well-being. In conclusion, music is a powerful tool that can shape our subconscious mind and influence our emotional and mental state. While low vibrational music has its place and can resonate with certain emotions, it's essential to be mindful of its effects and balance it with more positive, high vibrational music. Ultimately, the choice is yours, so choose music that uplifts and inspires you to lead a more fulfilling life. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments below what kind of music you prefer to listen to and its impact on your life. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the power to shape your subconscious mind lies in the choices you make, even when it comes to the music you listen to. Until next time, stay mindful and stay tuned to our channel. Goodbye.